G'day, how's it going? Just gonna go wash the old Kia Cerato. Went to lift these up and oh no! Can't wash them, can't lift it up. Took me ages to work out how to do it. So if you're stuck and you want to do the same sort of thing to get your wipers up so you can wash it, oh no, can't lift it. Simple, easy trick. Go in your car, get your key, put it in the ignition, turn it to accessories, and then turn it off. And then with this hand, just flick this up and hold it. Look at that. The old wipers pop on up. And Bob's your auntie, they're up. And you can lift them. And then you can wash your car and make it all sparkly and shiny. Then to put them down, make sure you push these guys down first. Like so. Go back in your car. Flick on your accessories like you did before. And flick on this fella up. There you go. Windscreen wiper's done. Alright, good luck. Have fun.